this video, we'll look at using a FortiGate as a wireless controller for use with FortiAPs. The FortiGate uses a special protocol called FortiLink to act as a controller for both FortiAPs and FortiSwitches. This allows for convergence of networking and security, and is another example of what Fortinet calls security-driven networking. By using the FortiGate, the LAN edge is secured in a simple-to-manage method with a low total cost of ownership. We'll start by looking at the controller capabilities themselves. There are no additional licenses required to enable the wireless controller functionality on a FortiGate, so FortiGate owners can adopt and manage as many APs as their FortiGate model can support. In the Managed AP section, I can see all the APs currently controlled by the FortiGate. If a new AP was plugged in, it would show up here to be authorized. I can view and change the configuration as needed. You can set up your network in the SSID area. An SSID can be configured with all the functions you would expect, including SSID name, type of security, including captive portal, and so on. The Wi-Fi Maps feature allows me to place and monitor my APs on a floor plan. From here, I can drill down on specific APs to get information such as health, uptime, spectrum analysis, attached clients, and so on. If I want a more general view of Wi-Fi health, I can get that by using the Wi-Fi dashboard, which shows aggregated statistics for all the wireless managed by my FortiGate. I can add or remove widgets from the dashboard as desired to focus on what I want. All of this is traditional wireless controller functionality, but it is the convergence of wireless with our FortiGate firewall capabilities that sets Fortinet apart. If I look at the topology of my security fabric, I can now see everything, from the FortiGate down through the FortiSwitches to the FortiAPs, and even down to the client devices, all in a single location. Wireless also shows up in other places in the FortiGate. If I look at the interfaces screen, here you can see my SSIDs. In fact, they are treated just like any other physical interface on the front of my FortiGate firewall. That means I can also assign policies and handle security configuration on them in the same way I do other interfaces on my FortiGate. This is what we mean by security-driven networking. The networking layer is treated as an integrated part of the security appliance. This simplifies your configuration and removes the chance for security mismatches, as you can create and apply your security policies in a single location and assign them to firewall, switch, and wireless networks from a single interface. This also extended to automation within the FortiGate, where I can set up automatic quarantine directly at the access layer, triggered by events, such as an indication of compromise, that were detected either at the FortiGate or elsewhere within Fortinet's security fabric. Thank you for watching this video. For additional information on our LAN edge equipment, watch our FortiSwitch videos, or log into one of our demo systems and take a test drive for yourself.